Good morning, country people. Them Friday, it don't reach number 28 today for Insight, the number 12 month 2023. Where the show series on our last program for Insight this month for December for Insight the year. We go turn back 14 then where they don't make news for Insight the year. We go talk palava this one where population for Insight SDF they don't lost their chairman. After so for Insight SDF the sanction it be na Honorable Awodombaya where he says a follow chairman Njangi Fondi. We go talk palava insecurity for Insight Santa Barbara we make some woman. He says the one sees the popsa, a hold on with power, then push him a for camion a clear on Toby. So for Inside Santa Barbara, they meet up some cops for some gondere where they don't kill him, can leave him for Santa Barbara. Now he will make problem. And last, he make him. They accuse Gendarmerie Nationale. Unless Santa Barbara, it don't enter for newspaper for Cameroon for 2023. When we come on now, we go enter now for another thing we make news for this May 2023. Now for site for Njangi division where now military they go after where they be kidnapped plenty. Delegate them, they go hide with them for inside bush. Now it will last they go meet up now the cops. And they meet up the bones. Then governor for Cameroon, he talks to me, they dig the bone them, move them. So that means they get for the family and nothing way military for Cameroon, if we do them now for inside Njangi division. We go talk again, wait where they happen for site for Mundema for inside this year. Now boy them where they carry gun, where they be shoot for inside bush, where they last, they call their mayor Sika for site for Mundema. Say it is so, they don't tire for inside bush, they want come for town. For develop their own town, so they will drop their gun as we see them. We go talk to Palava this one, where to make news for site for up country, for site for Bamida. Now city mayor, after where they don't keep plenty picking them for Nancho Junction, city mayor will come out with people them, with the colleague them, they march with black, with peace plan, say they need a peace for site for Bamida, and then they go flag, go put them for Nancho Junction for place where they should shoot their picking them. Another thing will happen for inside a country, now chapter for killing for site for Manfe, for new layout where plenty people them they don't die, and then the governor for site for Southwest Okala Bilang, if we go come on the cops for that site for go bury them. Another thing where it make news for inside country, now palava petrol where don't bring panic for inside Cameroon and for site for Yaoundé, Bafosam and Douala. All that side them, they say they so it not be worker because petrol it be short and minister will be in charge for water and energy. If we don't come up book say petrol could come, but that day we no see them. We go talk again, Palava, this one for Penka Michelle, where they say they don't organize the council section after they give IDP them for Northwest and Southwest where they don't not run gun. And then they give them sewing machine for say, meet and try for the soda close for the end of living and for send picking them for school. So now wait that way pass for site for Penka Michelle. We go talk again, we go yet talk with one of the IDP, you go talk When we finish again, we could enter for inside this talk. Now this one where the fund, Parliament fund for site from Bot, now for site for Donga Mantum division, it will go for site for Belgium, for go install full dance group for that side because people for Belgium, they no be get them, now we go install them. And then it turn back again, they receive it for inside Yaoundé, for site for Bastos. Now yesterday, it will happen. Fund 2, it say they so eager talk for Wimboom community, where they there for abroad, and even for village because now Christmas and New Year. Send story for sharp morning time. It tell we say it. Send story. It talk for we say person where he carry X for your head. He not ever find trouble. Person where he carry X for your head. e no dey ever find palava. Person wey e send am for we, they call am na Mr. Njangi Roland. Mr. Njangi Roland e send am for we for side for Ndop, na for side for Northwest, and Northwest na for Cameroon. Woman wey support am na Ma Larissa. Ma Larissa e support am for side for Munya e dey na for side for Boya, and Boya dey for Southwest for Cameroon. You go now we then get one come back before we enter for what we make news for 2023 for Cameroon. Country people, and when I know say today na Friday, and when Friday reach, we must get stranger than for inside house. For woman hand, they call and say Prince for side for Kochi, and Prince for side for Oko Palace, and Prince for side for Seoul Palace, Prince from Miami, they call and say Lambert Kevin. Come good and happy Christmas for you and your family.
Happy Christmas, General Moko. Happy Christmas of country where they watch me today. We talk say we don't come for here because we get advantage, or say because we get friendship with Camera Moko or General Moko rather. We come for here because they will check say if we come for here we talk news. And the what go to talk am if he take am as na General way Gabriel. He sweep all we gather sweep the dirty for Cameroon, put am for water, we water carry go for sea. So we talk say we just sit down for corner on the television. We go talk.
Okay. Person where they from man picking hand, they call him na title holder for Oko Palace. Tantoh Tanda na them two. Why they could ask and say this, so why na two people them, the very people them where they see for 3 years, now those where they don't pass the year with 3 man, and now them be to get chance for come for 3 house 2024. If you say go get chance, you yourself you could come. So Tantoh Tanda come good for 3 house, half for Palace for side for Oko.
Thank you, General Moko. I wish you happy Christmas and New Year in advance. Wish my family happy Christmas and New Year in advance. Who was you done for year wait away to talk today.
Okay. So country people that she don't quite foresee wait away we make news for inside country 2023. Me will start now. First thing where it be become country. It nearly confused it be been at this die where John Fundi, chairman Oga Kwata for SDF, it be talk bye-bye for SDF. After he talk bye-bye for his family, he talk bye-bye for country. Now way they be talk say so plenty. They will be common time for mortuary for general hospital for inside Yaoundé. Juju he be coming for that side for Palace, and then last he come for Yaoundé. Now in that way when I see am say this so Juju he be come because John Fundi he be don't make plenty for inside Palace. So countryman Mr. Lambert,
yes,
you yourself chairman he don't last he talk bye-bye. And now for 2023, now big loss.
Yes, you get to understand. Say now big loss because this chairman may his rest in peace. Now power he become make come. Say we fish shidon. Big man talks until we argue. Now he be bring talk. Say at least you feel talk. Now he be bring talk. Say if we hold hand together, we feel grow. So we don't lose plenty. We talk say make it rest in peace. Although he don't die for correct year. When you according to we will read Bible small time, it talks say when you don't reach for some age above 70, if you die for correct age. That means you're going for heaven direct. I believe say they heaven. And when you don't go for heaven, so make it tell God say for down in the bat. So we talk say parents in peace. Now a big losses for we like chairman. Not be only like saying a political icon. Now big losses because now power for country. Power for country where you don't talk say you don't say now the power be build more than half of Seoul Palace. Yes. I mean, but say now if we bring cement, time where things they be see there normal. So the talk say we don't losses plenty. So people they don't losses, Northwestern they don't losses, Cameroon they don't losses, and the world it be losses plenty. So we talk say pa rest in peace, and we check say people the way they take your chair, they go to follow your footstep. No matter what, fighting where blood you know they come out. Because that time for 1992, if pa be one side me blood flu called the flu sees, but he deny blood before blood become flu at that way one die. So rest in peace, pa.
Another person again where he says he be there for the very party SDF where he follow chairman after where chairman John Fundi be don't sanction he be now Honorable Awudumbaya, where a come up for side from Jap village under and Cambe Central, USSF, a be follow chairman John Fundi, and it will be the same week. So Tanda, this countryman, and now the first time where people for side for Cameroon, they see how they don't put person for inside, go coffin. Now in that time where they will bring them for side for airport, time where he come up for side for America. So it pass people them say this, so this kind one he come up for us, and this man he die body. He don't make 7 months for inside mortuary for side for Dallas, and for a general hospital they make thing where they call them we're keeping for side for Dallas. They make them for side for Douala, and then they make them for inside Yaoundé for side for Palais des Sports, and then before they go bury them for that side for Njab. Where till you get for talk Tantoh, Tanda, SDF, 2 people them they run that, and all them for side for Northwest.
That's all, General Moko. I got to talk say anything they so as my brother even talk for there. They look at me, be a normal thing. They cannot die way. They cannot soon die way. Njangi from the die. They cannot die way. Awudumbaya die. And look at way. Be normal. Don't be that time where they will die. I just suspected something be passed around where those people them die. And we don't talk about this house for Njangi say Awudumbaya they so be a man way it be no work. Now, man, when I say be denied, say go again for parliament. No, be stay some person be take a chair. If you just deny, say no go in for parliament, and then for inside party to do some certain thing, and they will go in for inside party where they don't want to make the kind of thing that they go. Now, why they in and no join, they be get some conflict where they be la sanction and a sanction, and if be very satisfied before they want to die a sanction, if they don't deny, say no go again for parliament. So now, man, will be ready to work. It be the work with the people them, and it be do a good work very well. God can call you, and I want to say God won't call you, not call you for time where you begin for God, because you see get a lot of things for do. Because for inside that SDF party, I say I wouldn't buy being one of the person way if you ready to develop that develop party, and if you work for your own village as parliamentary and get for work for your village.
Okay. So we believe Palava, those where they don't die, we enter again another die body where it will happen. Now for 1st May 2023 for Santa Barbara, insecurity. And they say they saw Santa Barbara, a don't mag name for list for 2023 for inside Cameroon. Now so it will happen. This one nothing will be passed only for corner to the house for Santa Barbara. Now woman where we go for this Labor Day. When they come back, if we see the video, it will help some people and when they know we see them. So they will go enjoy Labor Day. They want to come back, and then they will be on top Okada. You and your husband. Time where they can reach now. After this one where they call say Rango so for the camp for this side for Ante Chateau. Now we take people that they drag back. As they drag back one time, the woman deny for leave the back. Now we they push it fall. Camion it can climb on top of this woman if he die. And Gendarmerie Nationale it become with the population. They be vexed plenty, and they talk to this so say the matter go finish. So you look at you see say this so camion USSF na sapeur pompier don't come for can carry the corpse. When you look at for inside this matter Tantoh Tanda, you see say insecurity where it dey for inside Santa Barbara they seize phone, and then they kill every day they meet up die body. Where some more you go see what you get for talk for a government, and now where Christmas and New Year it don't land. Inside Santa Barbara, people them not to sleep.
Yes, General Moko, as we don't always talk for this house, say insecurity day for Yaoundé here. Not be only for Santa Barbara. I think they say only for night. As she done for Biamasi with the drink mimbo, as we take 1 beer, some woman just stand for corner with some by man come to just take it back for night. That man made that one shot, they don't already go. So at the same again, the one for Santa Barbara be a type. Because that body they two they overcome out, and what you are talking and security not there Yaoundé here, and especially this time when at Christmas time with so many dangerous things there could happen. They gave for put security for roads. They gave for put security for roads where they give for the stay and stay. They break. They exchange them. But they do patrol them with their motor them. Do patrol. They do work. I don't know what the security do for Yaoundé here. I don't know what the gendarme work. I don't know what the police work. What the kind of thing they happen for Santa. In the year they cry Santa Barbara every day. But gendarmerie there for Santa Barbara. Police station there for Santa Barbara. But you know if you ever see how they do their patrol them. It be some kind of thing where they cry every day. Then they go the year. I don't know whether they know here they hear them now lock them or not what you so would beg you papa poor say me reinforce the security for Yaoundé here. Because if not reinforce security for Yaoundé here, no say your people then could die, finish.
We enter another one. Now this one where it be happen where it bring problem for inside country. Now Palava this one where they be kidnap plenty delegate them where they will go for side for southwest for go walk. After the last meet up now the cops they talk to this so plenty delegate them they be there for inside bush and they be don't try way for say me they release them in no worker. So last now some one boy where we last can drop gun he go talk for Ezio to no Shabalen for side for Meme say this so in no side way this man where they will call him now General Kobo yes for side for Njan say he don't bury the delegate them after we don't kill them. So now we military for Cameroon he succeed for go for that side. Now we remove the delegate them, they remove someone that scored, remove someone that bone, and so it be happen. So this thing it be overvex country people for inside country. Lambert Kiven Prince for side for Kochi. What you get for talk now plenty of we brothers and sisters them we don't lose some. This year for side for Njan, wait till you get them for the talk.
When I look the kind of thing, so it be say my cry, but I don't feel cry for television. I go talk say, me will not say when you don't take a soul away, God don't already reduce the number of years people for live. No matter how many way they don't kill them, when they don't die now true, say the thief kill them. When they don't die now say they kill them because of this wahala for northwest and southwest. My head na any career. Because we don't tire, and we condemn in real time. We condemn and clearly say the one who don't kill him, he don't correct. Even now, he don't correct because enough is enough. I don't know what for you do it. Play where they buy water, buy except for drink. You don't get plate for go even go. She don't quiet. At the bake na bake. We don't kill enough. They kill him now. If he stop, fine. It's a shame say pa. Where they get picking, mommy where get picking because I see say a woman day for day. He go come on say one go work. Whether na delegate or whether na teacher all these people na human being them. You don't kill them, you don't solve problem. Since they be kill them, you sure say they stay your number add na add. You don't add na add because when you kill one, 3 they aggravate the whole thing. I beg, we don't kill enough. This year they finish, we will stop them.
So when I don't hear Tanda, you get tough for talk on top that one.
I really get tough for talk General Moko because I don't talk about Njangi. I say we don't overcry, tear then come out. Now blood don't turn the come out now. Small time when that blood will dry. It not gonna be easy. We the call on with Papa for the Cameroon. Papa will cover way for all place. We the see call on you say this year they can't end. It remain a few days. Make this year make it end. Make it try for see how if you call it picking them together. We don't want to talk this year and I will finish them. Make try for see how if you call it picking them together. Try for finish this matter way. We time see day because time see day. When they not leave and again me the plenty to go. With the years or other one that they come from home. Now so two brother they die. Here say they don't bomb mutu. Now so two brother they die. So with the beg on with Papa Pobia say, Papa, as this year they go for an end so call the people the way you know say if you call them, may they talk about this matter, make this matter finish once and for all. More they live with life fine, live with life without any fear.
We also remember that side. We could go now for play with the corner for Mundemba. After the way this one don't happen, now we picking them for side for Mundemba. They decided this so they could drop gun. So now them that where a mayor Seka if we go for inside bush, go meet up them. He talks to this to my brothers them. Why we not remain for inside bush and where we get for develop Mundemba. So they be here they talk for the mayor for side for a Mundemba council. They decide for talks to this so. They get for follow he come for town and then can he got gone for military. So military them they be glad as this boy them not here last year that talk. So now in that as when I see him, so this one now them where they be whole gone. So this boy when I see him now he says it be oga kwata for side for Mundemba. So now he way this mayor that man way a yellow he wear eyeglasses this one now mayor Seka and they talk say na 32 amber fighter them where then talk say this so for inside division they no get gone again so they don't come embrace a peace. So countryman
yes
after they kill him for delegate them they don't drop gun.
The issue is I owe them that 32 that means that 32 people they be the harass people for all over southwest or north and southwest. Not be so it big pass when they say 32 if you be like so we been at 30 something thousand.
Yes
anyway now correcting say 32 don't drop. Now fine thing. But the problem now say now only 32 till today as we talk so you show say God no ban hala even one shot for morning time before one come for LTM for can chakara tori for end the year we dey pray say the rest of the people the way they still dey the guns should be silent me gun them be quiet me will work this thing with pen now pen is what hulam if the worst captain hold me pikin go school because say fighting for pen e big and e get sense pass fighting for gun the competent authority be una where una dey for bush or una dey for outside gun no fit solve problem because sometimes you dey see where they shift blame say people they don if it be so even a mafia where they just call some people they talk say no una who this thing but who side the gun the way they drop am e dey because I never see am who side the weapon you show that they use na gun e get knife e get cutlass e get all thing but anyway na find say they be drop 32 but 32 over small because if 32 e be dey a concrete number wey get sense they go the war for don end.
Okay. Sometimes someone and they don't drop and they never send we the photo. So we go talk now palava this one after we don't happen for side from Jan, they drop gun. The next day it be happen for that side for Baminda for Nancho Junction where they kill picking them for that side and where be na school picking them. A vex city mayor for side for Baminda and make president for House of Chief where they be just release it for Bush after we make 2 years for that inside Bush where na the fund for side for Bambalang. He be come out, he just talk one time, said, so this one we don't happen so. They get for March. That day one reach, we go for grandstand for side for Bamida. We seen a few force them, and then last, then said they not be take part for matching. Now the city mayor for side for Bamida, he be come out, and then with the colleague them, military, every day with the guide them as they match. Okada people them too, they be vexed, they go for that side because now they pick it, then kill them, then go for Nancho Junction, and then they be go put flower, say, may they picking them, may their soul rest in peace. So, Tantoh, Tanda, we could also deliver, may they kill, we picking them, and then they can put flower. That means say, flower na solution.
I want to tell you, say, General, that people there, they mix it in the match. I hope say that then, if I think that they promote this thing, the war, they made the war.
They not be good for match.
They match what that match mean I say what that match now for bring the picking back they don't that match now for bring the match made the thing made they killing me finish
what you the they do
that thing where they say where they come up for straight where black the match it no get no use for me.
Okay, what you supposed to do and for bring peace.
My over the people that say make them struggle for see the authority there they handle this matter make they for beg them for struggle but always make the matter finish not be matching. Not be matching for can't stop the matter. That way when the one man instead so they go provoke they go provoke anger for people them.
Exactly.
Yes, they go provoke anger for people in general. Moko. Oh, one talks on that I said because when I see and so they be like drama. Because they at the beginning maybe say na fund they get for match. So I be look and say fund them because they come up for street for do what they be say they come up for match. Now they want arrange match now. They want say na city mayor now don't come up with the people them. They match and in some group different group in a civilian and different civilian they don't prepare say they want match say the matter stop you go see how gun for their back but when I'm sitting here don't organize it on you say they work and guide them so be I fit talking a drama where they just act them with the job begging a papa poor say make it just sorry for we make it sorry for we say we don't over die military don't over die we brother they there for bush they don't over die make it sorry for we solve this matter make the matter finish that the only cry that will be the cry.
Exactly. You know, say I get one person where I always call you cafe.
Yes.
Now one man for Northwest.
Yes.
His Excellency Paul Atanganji. Now Papa that way, if you woke up talk say one, he don't already end. But don't talk some correct the other day say person where the fear woman he mop. Me no married. Now correct talk that Papa beg go end this war now. Now you now Papa Atanganji. Happy Christmas. Will they talk to me try you feel you know what way if you do am. Me this thing end. You be what power they look up to.
Okay, so His Excellency Paul Atanganji, they cry, we when they cry, and we return to another person, we na 5 young Francis, we na SSF, he be head boy for disarmament, the committee where they be foreman. So he do work for make us say me then drop gun. So now so he did. We come over that one now. We enter the one where we just happened yesterday. Now, number 6 day for November 2023, it happened for site where they call them for Manfe for new layout. As soon as they say they saw some people them, they enter for new layout for night, and then they cause trouble, burn house, rape people them, and then shoot someone them, then die. Now with people and the ask whether it is so. If they be put a street camera or a camera them where they put them for town, sometimes it will catch those way they don't do this bad work because now they accuse Joe too is accused Joseph. So now carries today we don't know person we don't do this one. Now time this way they be carry last. Where are you time for site for mortuary for site for Manfe where population for Manfe no person in no open shop, no person no go for work, no person no go for farm because thing will happen for new layout for site for Manfe it not be correct for them. Plenty people are the day for mortuary as the governor for site for Southwest Okala Bilai it be go come out some cop them for mortuary and then a go with them for say me family them then go bury them. So plenty people them they don't overvex with this matter where it happen for site for Mavi for number 6 day for November and we be been a day where they celebrate Palava CPDM. So Mr. Prince for site from Biame and South Palace.
Yes.
This matter for Manfe, where till you get for talk again and which message you get for Livam for the population and those where they protect we and the property.
Whether na black or white don't die, so don't go. One person don't go. We don't overtire blood. We don't tire blood. Now who there behind it? Now who get the key for lock the door where they be open and say take God? Make it lock the door back now. Now we don't either way would ever talk say. You see a general.
Yes.
Allow you because be general way get na broom. If you get na gender, if you then agenda way get gone, you for don't hear say go no day so no fine. Go no fine at all. Now example say we get to stop them at all costs. Whether now who don't die because of accident, because of anything. I beg. As on the 1st of January 2024, I know one can't for you can't talk say they don't kill again. Or say person don't collapse die. No. I beg. When we kill so with the gun betty, people they cry. The one they collapse. The one no. And the worst thing I said it will happen for some day where they will celebrate some big event for country. I ask myself, say, why it happened at that day? Why? Now say that people they, for that day when they will celebrate them, they will want me and me will not say problem day. Or now some people they will come for some different side. For can't show say problem day. Not be so that they solve problem. You know if you solve problem by creating another one. We don't tire. Blood every day.
I tell you, my brother, as we talk for the cry so. And they tell you say it don't pass power. And some people then day where they talk say all things don't come back to normalcy. All things don't come back to normal. Every day that's what they sing up. All places don't be normal. You know, every day I mark my word, Lambert.
Yes.
Every day they kill person.
Yes.
Every day person they die. So one day they kill them, we don't know.
Exactly.
So one day they kill them, even family don't know. So one day they rot in inside bush. Whether na military, whether na civilian though. Now we people them all. And every day, man more die, more here say don't keep person in some place. You know here they don't keep person, here they don't take person go lock up. Either military don't take person go lock up, or either armor don't take person go lock up. Every day, war they go on. We the only beg na beg. We the see the beg, the cry for the house say, me they try way make that matter finish as my brother talk say, this January with this time we want enter new year, more enter new year with happiness, enter new year with peace.
Because and you get to understand that some people they don't take this thing to like business. For over 30 something million what day for you? We talk now about die. 90% for where they talk for 30 million now die. People they don't take it like business. Some people they say if you finish now their business where they don't come out can't open and for that side they go do it. They go do what they say who side they come out. If you end you know go see some business.
So we could leave this palaver die because we don't overtalk them. We beg the government when I get all we and them get countries say this so me they try for bring solution. When I will start with national dialogue, it be me second one a day because when they play football first half day and then they go in for second half.
No dialogue. Now preparatory meeting for dialogue. We
So,
don't have dialogue.
Anyhow we they don't finish do am and they still get plenty for do am for bring peace for site for northwest and southwest. Plenty commission and they way. They don't disappear. We know the year again. We don't know where it is. So they last bound the commission where they will create them because we know the year they talk again about they don't talk again about the commission. Me we enter this one now. Palava petrol for inside Cameroon and way petrol it for country. It don't make panic for inside Cameroon. Tantoh Tanda, USA you use petrol. How you succeed for inside Yaoundé number 10 day for December. So take go reach for number 15 day.
General Moko, have you tell you say when some people when they want to talk, people they struggle for the cover thing them. Have you take say smoke no fit the one for hook up so we fire no cash. I don't think say general go mark my way something be way a big behind this petrol. When I was system for the Cameroon. Something there where they come small. They destroy for cover up something like this. They destroy for cover and they destroy. But one day when I say it's smooth the hook up we go burn. Because I tell you, me I know I've been stressed up for petrol issue because I never time and because when I want work I want come out for a year like for go for Oja. At the time I say if I enter 5 petrol station, you know there I want enter number 6 sometime it go be. And I always like I'm go now for late hour. When I want go for late hour, other people them some people they don't sleep and they put my petrol. And I tell you say mark my word as it be say you don't say and say petrol like say petrol don't already be for Yaoundé now so or it don't already be for Cameroon now so mark my word say some smoke day where the worker where come born.
We go burn that petrol.
Yes.
Okay.
Now my driver this star boy. You know work as petrol start so petrol the tank be empty. He just stop he chop now 2 bread for 15 days.
Okay.
If you normal, normal who driver like star boy chop 2 break for 15 days. When I drive, when I for drive. No ballon.
Okay, why you know what?
You know what? Because if you take water put inside the tank, petrol no be there.
If petrol no dey, you fit put the gas.
Put that motor na petrol motor, not the gas motor. You don't get 2 engine.
We even talk petrol self way private light to don't already start it on.
Look at the
We know say
they hungry.
We know say the one of a beat them for Cameroon now. Yes, sell light begin for be standard. The way one year the year room will say big offices they don't
communication need one of a day.
No big offices they don't take money.
Yes.
They don't use light, they need to pay.
Imagine.
Okay. Yes, but when you look at it, you say this one. When you look person like DO, SDO, and governor, minister them, they stay for house, they use light, stay free. They use like the government they pay sometime. If it be the truth say this so. We still get plenty.
The thing is worry because when you want pass for some offices there for Yaoundé here, like they shine throughout the night.
Yes.
We will not get light for quarter.
But Mr. Lambert, they don't talk to this. So company way, if they look on light for country, if we get for give chance for another, for we.
Not be palaba change company where they look out light.
Okay, the company work fine.
We get what it takes for get light.
Okay.
Why we get to use now this level to use them? We not get solar. We the trade picking and say for plenty university of Yaoundé 1 and 2. Plenty is I don't want to call some kind of school, some kind of university. Their name they come out as engineer. With the permit them say me they create that way where they fit make na solar.
As they be no as people them for side for Dubai.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, Dubai.
They get their light. Now days are that.
Yes.
Now days are where all we want go na Dubai because Dubai get na nice. They don't get they make their water. They make their light. Why we not fit copy example? We must beg all the time. We get what it takes. And the worst thing I say when you want. For do your best for import things for do your see will not get for do your solar the tax where they give you even that people come out university it is say na a waste it is common for country go there you quiet we don't fail already and so we don't finish completely
and they make another now we the suffer we the suffer about light issue.
General tell you something me I dey work for play where I must get light for work.
Yes.
I must get light for work. I must get water for work.
Yes.
That day so for that period when light no day, water no day, room no fair day, nothing no day. We don't suffer. We now only Papa God the help. If not so we don't collapse. You know see how dry. That's what we day.
So you dry now let me.
Water no day, nothing no day. So we don't finish complete.
Yes. So all this one it go now for palava insecurity for inside country because if security for the all we will know for day for inside the place where we dey now. So we talk now palava this one now council section for site where they call am for Penka Michelle where themselves they don't hold their council section there and they do fine work because last those where they don't run gone for site for northwest and southwest they don't talk to this so they no fish down there for house. They talk to this so they learn work. So the council for that side for Penka Michelle and for Boda, all them they be joined, they sign partnership, they talk to this so they get for B house for play for IDP them where they don't run gun for side for northwest and southwest. That means a fine thing where they don't do harm. And so one thing again, where it don't surprise the IDP them, there'll be no say this so they don't feel it be lost. But now it don't show now say this so dream where you dream and for night for daytime if it be not true. So they talk to this so the return council plenty for the work where they work for IDP them for that side. So they will talk to this so the mayor for that side he don't do them fine work, Mr. Sa Majesté Jean Pierre. Yes, so he don't give them machine them for sewing machine them and where they get for train them they could be now tell us where they could sew their clothes and then they could sell them. It could make now say this so If you IDP na woman, you know, go say himself. If na say IDP na boy, you know, go thief. So all them, they don't get that machine. When na this council for site for border and for border and for place where they call say Penka Michelle. So with the time, all them where they don't join hand for say me this speaking them, they get thing where they call and say they are sewing machine. When I will see the sewing machine them. If all the council them, they will do and so like no IDP, it not go bring no complaint. So with the best say this, so as they don't start on for side for border for Penka Michelle, me it trust to go for side from Kosamba, go the other side. So you see now they contribute that way it don't last. Now the IDP then that as they stand. This one a man picking them, it talk for them, say thief, you know fine. Now the sewing machine and this plenty. No, now this one we see. So the sewing machine and plenty when I see woman them no. All them now those where they don't succeed for run gun for northwest and southwest where they don't come they should don't for side for Buddha. So Lambert Kiven,
yes,
this one it don't affect to you.
Thank you.
This one you see say the council don't do fine work.
Council don't do better work. Now but tell you say you know if you what you want. You were the claim say if you what you want na lie. If all council they for Cameroon they be get like a circle. No CPDM, no day, no SDF, no day, no PCR, no day. If you don't go far. Now because say when some mayor they want work, some people they talk for up say no do this. Like if you want work like mayor, you know if you work you want. If you work with your elite them. The other day we get some mayor where some elite can put transformer for village. He saying not to put them because they not be consulted.
Yes, now follow
yes. Some people they will tell me say what if they can't put the thing now for wrong place. I didn't deny. The way it's supposed to do, I'm not say me you go mob the transformer. If you be say me you go talk with the person say my elite, you be my picking no I be your mayor. I call you cafe, but I be the check say if you put them for this side. Now you money where you use them. So at the talk say me council they collaborate. And some people too when they talk say they help IDP. You don't turn a business. When they want share thing for IDP, me they share thing according to. Because some people they take an answer, someone they write name they double. If they want share one bag rice, so you see where some people they get like 10 bags. For instance, rice says on waiting. They burn my house, you go give you blanket. They burn my house, you go give you mattress. Same in the Steve Oza.
Okay.
So why the IDP help them all?
Okay.
So,
okay. So Tantoh Tanda before you want talk, we go yet in way this woman when an IDP a run gun, it go tell we whether thing we council don't do for them, if fine or you not fine. Madam, where you go for talk? We hear you now.
IDP in Buddha. So we are gathered here today, very excited to say thanks to GRZ, thanks to Buddha community and the mayor for welcoming us, and thanks to GRZ for giving us these machines, the fridge, in order for us to be able to have something doing. We should not be depending. So we want to thank them. We are very excited. The joy is too much. We just want to say thank you, and may God replenish the source of the things they have given us, and we promise them that we will make good use of it. Thank you.
Face à une affluence des déplacés internes venant du nord-ouest et du sud-ouest, ça c'est suite à la crise du Nozo. Et face à ce flux important des déplacés internes, nous avons eu au départ beaucoup de problèmes qu'il fallait absolument résoudre.
Cette déformation voudrait que chaque fois que je vais me battre à Yaoundé pour qu'on puisse nous permettre de construire des salles de classe, c'est comme cette fois-ci.
Thank those where they don't put eye for this IDP. Tantoh Tanda, wait till you get time. I will give you 1 minute. Me talk on top because we still get.
Yeah, General Moko, no, give me 1 minute. I want to talk to you where go ready. People they go ready here fine.
Yes.
This thing don't come so can't touch me plenty. This thing what they make up I don't do am. It don't make us so can't touch me plenty. That house we don't Bilang. Say Bilang for IDP then so. Now fine thing what I make don't do am. Then it don't recall me some group where they be ever form for Cameroon. You say reconstruction group. Now kind of thing that people they get to do when they forget about northwest and southwest. Forgot the bill for north and southwest we will never finish. More now find place them for western region, find place for central region, big houses them for day. Maybe IDP they enter because IDP they suffer. Man, the one run, they take no to the unborn oil house. Man, go can't work and stay for the kind of dirty place, destroy for work, even get nothing sleep fine. Best thing for person so for life, now for sleep fine. Exactly. So what you call them for that people they call them na John Donatus group them. Make they work a big houses them for region all region for Cameroon. Big houses them for day. May they forget about nowhere because war never finish work or finish that time was start reconstruction the big back.
Even we for no money we go be.
May they build that kind of houses them for region them. May IDP then may they live their life fine. No, sometimes 1 year where the war don't finish.
Yes. So with the time to Mr. Wanji, yes, that mayor we could turn Mr. Wanji Francois. Now he says be mayor for that site. Now we come on now, we talk now Parliament this one. Now the fund for site from Bot and we na Parliament fund for Jebwad. Where if we go for site for Belgium, for go put a thing where they call and say 4 years for that site. Now where they go see ambassador for site for Belgium. He talks to the son of he come for Belgium. We never go salute. Person where they represent Cameroon for that side. So now so it will happen. Plenty thing will happen. This one now time for me bless where they don't put them. Time for me bless where they don't put them. Say this so now he could look up to them for side for Belgium because for a day outside but now for Belgium where day. So the fund Parliament fund for Mott it go for that side. It go talk to this so my picking them. This one now we're not on and me man picking them they concentrate from folk because we not get for put tradition for down. So they be glad and the last putty a red feather for tossing so naive oga kwata from folk that me say time for me folk na that we wanna see am na way they talk to this so they don't look am they see now only this man if it be for up for carry them for go with time for before so all man for that side be talk to this so me time for me it come goat say the day for you back me they push am they go with them now go now last the last two they put the woman say na be mama njo we e could control njo yes njo women them for side for Belgium now the fund for bought that. Now the woman this woman will start with up down for this side for another man picking. Now anyway they put them the mama njo and a woman for for me yes now woman for time for me bless as when I see them. So now in that and not only them two where they be put them they be put two person where they can say yes that one now time for me bless and that msa yes ndamsa na yi and then they put to tangwang Gerard tala yes. Tangwang Jeratala na Jesus title yes and then they get to Tatamfo yes Daniel Nze yes so they begin back from 4 and then they will get to Lucy yes Lucy where it did for us and Mr. Alfred M4 so they did it and then this last and for that it be dance for talks today so me the fun it come good me we see Adam folk because something day for the we need to meet Tantoh down the Siam so them folk it be dance so and then the last now the talks today so fun you don't do fine talk you don't do better camp for this side but they get for sure ye them folk because of this group we don't go put on for that side. Plenty people them don't be surprised for see this so their son and daughter them for side for Wimbumland they plenty for it and they don't really know the thing where they can say for so Prince for Palace for side for Northwest yes
thank you plenty
when you see them so
you know say we will come up Palace we will Prince
yes
I get to tell you say this one a good sign for talk say play where you go with your culture fun don't do better thing thank you mbe for say what because we don't run war for instance if be say some people they not even like me that people they talk now say fun don't go give una say when we want work with your culture because now for play where go show say you be now your identity your culture now identity as the right time for one gun so close for talk say our culture now our identity if you go for play where you go forget your country talk because you see that they love we say and some people they talk country talk so they don't spoil their English what they do now our ID when they make us operate now they want try some French where they don't know how to talk French me man no frighten you say don't know how to talk country talk this one a good example and I talk say any palace for play where they whether not for what whether not for Mbiami whether not for Oku whether not for Jotin Noni me una go follow una picking for play una they go show una say we not say una day and me una know una culture.
Okay now Tantoh Dada you come for second part me we see now time where they fund Parliament fund for site for what and now fund from both time way it don't come for inside Yaoundé because it don't finish reach for Yaoundé yesterday. Me we go now go see now people them be flop for see the fund because plenty don't see them. Me we see and countryman. Yes. So now so it be the past. Submit. We fit go one time. Yes. You look am, you see say there's so this place, Tantoh Tanda, you know this place na Bastos. Then we don't come up for Simalen, it come na way population boom community. As when I see am, the work will collapse. Not na collapse for court person, but now for yes. Now this a weapon where they use them for inside for. Na time where motor for fun, it don't come. And then it could enter for play where they get for take care for you. So they talk say so this matter it not be easy at all. So the talk say so even time for me for boom it become now the fund that it don't really come she don't look and find that the fund from both that and now parliament fund for we it come. So for people them where they did it on inside your own day they don't talk say so me come good because now for it ever make a fund enter for some place. So you see and then plenty talk it day and the important talk now that one the president for Wakoda and then this one the time for me to wait there for inside Yaoundé if they did now marché that we don't cancel out and another person to a day so the thing it don't pass the fund as it don't see that man will get eyeglasses now picking and for self on board and for your compound where they will celebrate and title man she so plenty woman them too they become that one now yes Natasha this where they will celebrate for your house now president for Wakoda for general meeting for inside Yaoundé for we Koda so all them they be there for that side after talk we fun if we talk now say when we done the born picking me when they try way for teach picking country talk that in the way we talk for that title holder we na share yes it talks it so me then try way for the talk country talk with picking and teach them country talk so that if stranger one come for house me you know how you feel hide secret with their picking them because if you talk for English stranger go hear if you talk for French stranger go hear so you the title holder for palace for Oko and palace for side for Jotin wait till you get for talk fund don't come back and for that it is CV.
Yes, General Moko now finding way fund for but it don't do harm. And when they never talk say some disappointment, it never been a blessing. And they say and say the war will get them for north and southwest. It don't give them blessings for some other side them. For make some people there they don't remain there but outside. May they learn tradition. May tradition can meet up them see then I see them. Because some people in their way like one man country. If they don't be they don't remain for there, they don't even go back for their country back. And then pond don't go meet up them so that they give them entitled them they put them pool for there where they get for the drink them now when they live that life so when they live that life so they show say they already be at home as we just gather for that group when I knock that drum then dream imbo cut fowl cut group then chop them when I don't already be at home you feel at home so with the thank fund for but for way to way they do and for go meet up people and with the talk for some other fund they say maybe they copy good example maybe they don't just remain for at home when they say some people they never ever go back for their villages them. Make they struggle for those who side they are picking them they stay. Make they strive for gather them. Make they strive for give them information. If they want finish, at least they want learn so many things them because if they know you do them so play the people they got lost for bush and play the people they got lost tradition.
Okay. So we go she don't quite now we ask the fund where till you be go for Belgium for go do. All we put with here thing we fund for but when a parliament fund they go talk. Oh yeah.
Is that LTM? You know, in Cameroon, if you are not a researcher or you are not a person who finds anything, you're not going to ever get them. I will look my villages, my 3 villages, they be lacking many things. Because when you ask now government for do anything, first go start. When it be small, you will ask government for help you. So the thing being, I say, is going to be successful with the collaboration of togetherness of my villagers where I don't talk for them here. So no man not go talk say, na campaign for anything. No. If I know we go, see what way they do, water where they use them for work farm, and all and for make electricity and so on before they ask the companies. Now you will succeed for get in contact.
My name is Njangi Alfred, the branch president of the Mborabi Yaoundé branch. I'm glad to be here today in this special occasion. I want to thank all the Wimbum community here in Yaoundé. Today has been a very big day for us. the paramount fund of Wiwar. That's the fund of Mott traveled to Belgium to inaugurate the Mfu of Belgium. So he was there for a week, and we took him from the Simalang International Airport, and now presently we are at Bastos, at the residence of one of our elite, Tashe Augustin Njangi. So I just want to thank the Wimbum community, the president of Wikuda. We acknowledge all their presence, and we said thank you.
The joy was there for my heart, and of it talk just because a whole Wimbum Paramount Fund, we come over for Cameroon, a Wimbum in particular, come and go for Belgium, go install Mfu. I mean, that one being a history, because for God install Mfu for one man country come back. This one in history. The message where I fit only give them for Wimbum community at home and abroad. Now say me they be together. May Wimbum man be a one and the same person, so that we progress. When we be divided, we not fit progress. May we be a one and the same person.
Now the fun from about that way the dance and for make me when I know say this so waiting when I don't see them the dance for the Namfo for inside the Yaoundé, and now the very dance we don't go put them for site for bedroom where the person we look at them for na she na time for me bless dancer we they like oga kwata from for that side for bedroom. So the program it don't finish. I don't finish. Tantoh Tanda, happy Christmas for you and happy New Year for family.
Thank you, General Moko. I want to wish a happy New Year for my dear wife, Dintone Emerencia. I know say you could watch me now. I want to wish happy Christmas for my family, Yole's family. Where they could get meeting, we could get a family meeting for here on the 28th. I want to wish a happy New Year for my big family, Bloomberg's family from BAM. I want to wish happy New Year for Keka Emmanuel from BAM. I want to wish happy New Year from BAM people them. Where they see the way when BAM people, they don't who community work. They don't who community work. But check say sometimes General Moko go show them, so that I already thank them very well. You know sure. I'll be sure. Yeah, you be sure. But check say go show them today, so that I already thank them very well. And they really take this time for thank the BAM people them for the hard work, for the community work where they do up. They talk so well. They are called at the camp, they just do work, we and then we did together. I wish a very special Christmas for my fund, for my Panama fund of Oko, where I know say you should for Palace now, so for Oko, where they watch this program.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Lambert,
yes.
Happy Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you, General. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year for my very good friend Smith. Simil where they work for the house, we don't talk say, even now you one step, you can manage camera, manage keyboard, manage all man, even manage the management. Congratulations, Simil. Oluna will Tambe. I want to be big happy Christmas too for Reverend Father Jude Lo Samba. He listen, we play where they listen, and they talk big salute to Christmas for Reverend. The Right Reverend Bishop John Kona, Bishop of Kumu Diocese. And they talk you big salute. And my special driver, now star boy for Yaoundé town. You know the joke. Even time we play to know they eat chubby 2 bread the day alive. We the talk big salute for Shembu Nisto Big Nui. Happy Christmas for Shufai Wokibari. Happy Christmas for Reverend Pastor Kansa Lawrence for CBC Church Kishi. And finally for New Year Ebenezer. When a technician where he put LTM for all house, people they watch. And they talk to baby. You know, say now the first Christmas where the chopo, I don't put the rings on. General Moko, he go bat.
Yes, and I be there the
way. Exactly.
No, I be there the way ultimately happen.
Yes.
So with the time, all man we don't support the program from January 2023. Can reach now for December again, and we will enter na New Year. Same you continue to support we with the videos, support we with the sense to read. I say panable, it help we plenty. So with the time, all man, we don't do that work. Same me, God, it will bless thee and bless plus the family. We talk to Happy Christmas for family. For Dr. Tamanjong Moses, we watch the program. We talk to Happy Christmas and New Year for Wakoda for the whole world. We did watch and we talk to Happy Christmas for Madam. Yes, now Mami Miriam for side for Kanya Abasi with the family and Soto. We not forget to person where they call and say who Nesto alias Mopao. We did for kilometers and Happy Christmas and New Year. We did talk to for Mosolo and we did talk to Happy and New Xmas for Katika. For me Katika we did now for side for Tabiken. It watch the program and Oman for side for Tabiken. We did talk Happy Christmas and New Year for the population for side for Chup Village under Kambi Central. We saluted. We thank the youth them for Chup Village where they go to hold the meeting for number 20 day for January. So we talk to Happy Christmas and New Year for the fund for Chup Village and the funds them for Donga and Mantum Division and even for Northwest. We talk to Happy Christmas and New Year for the chief them for Center Region and chief them for side for Southwest and chief them for side for West Region and Lamido them for side for North Cameroon. We talk to Happy Christmas and New Year for family. For Dr. Maji, for Senkantes, for Douala, and then we not forget Malam Saido, we yesterday celebrate for side for the Nyepoto. We greet all man for side for Ancestors Sonen Kololo, for New Bell, we greet all man, we follow we. Happy Christmas for my family, Ma Helena Jane for Chup Village, and Bochas family, we they watch their program and we talk to Happy Christmas and New Year. For the wife, we did it for us, and then Ma Antoinette and Benis Munken, and we salute all man for side for St. Village. So happy Christmas and New Year for Mr. Simit Abubakar. When picking for side for Oko, he says he don't work for this program for whole year, and happy Christmas for person where they call him. Now Landry say we, he says now man we retire for this program, and we don't sign. Say now only this program go key. Happy Christmas and New Year for Mr. Francois. We na SSF. He don't try for say me he work with the team for Njangi house. We talk happy Christmas for all man. We is a bit a face. We not forget Madame Claudette. Yes, Tabo Claudette. We na SSF. If we be told na some cameraman for some time for side for Yasa. Yes, the Tabo Claudette. He don't have we plenty. Shea Jones Yembe happy New Xmas and New Year.
Madame Morin.
Madame Morin.
No,
yes,
Madame
Morin for Madame Morin for
Yamasi. Yes.
And Ma Dinali, Ma Dinali will not forget it because Ma Dinali.
Now Iron Lady.
Yes, now Iron Lady. And it don't come out on new music. We after this program you go see new music. We don't come out and it talk about God. So any man must do life for God with the
and my mommy Miriam go from too. My mommy Miriam from either for watch me.
And then we salute to Julie Kum, we General Director for LTM. We salute all workers them. Say happy Christmas for all workers for LTM television and happy New Year for the workers them. So they will call you say Francois Ebishidon. Simit Abubakar Ebishidon and then be the match 1001 button. Me, they call me General Moko, the only general for Cameroon where it work our broom for sweep all dirty for inside Cameroon, put them for water, so that me water carry and go, me Cameroon, you know the smell, but me it is shine. We salute His Excellency, Full Callistus Gentle, Paul Atanganji, Gregor Owona, and Honorable Ngala Gerard, with Honorable Walang Richard for side for whom. So the program don't finish. We could meet up again next year when January 2024.
Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas! Happy Christmas!
Inshallah.
New Year, new fashion.
Inshallah.
Happy Christmas!
Allahu Akbar.
Fashion.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah.
So now, so you don't have.
Allahu Akbar.
So we will see again other time.